confirmed number of cases of the coronavirus in Los Angeles County today comes to 36,259. The confirmed number of deaths reaches 1,755. Here in Torrance, the total number of confirmed cases is 329, with total confirmed deaths at 39. Welcome to COVID-19 Today. I'm Colleen Farrell. It's 2 p.m. on Friday, May 15th. California Governor Gavin Newsom proposed major budget cuts to deal with the state's projected $54 billion deficit. Newsom unveiled his revised May budget with predictions including a nearly $10 billion drop in tax revenue for the fiscal year ending in June. Newsom is asking Congress for help, citing the $3 trillion relief package unveiled by California Democrat and House Speaker Nancy Pelosi. The HEROES Act includes $500 billion in state support and $375 billion for local governments. Newsom's budget proposal includes $14 billion in spending cuts, including a 10% reduction in state workers' salaries. The governor's plan also draws on the state's rainy day fund and a collection of special reserves to address the deficit. Los Angeles County is making it mandatory now to wear a face covering anytime residents leave their homes. Officials said a mask will be required at all times during the COVID-19 health crisis. The only exceptions are made for children under 2 and people with disabilities. Face coverings should cover your nose and mouth. Acceptable face covering options include a bandana, neck gaiter, homemade face covering, scarf, or a tightly woven fabric such as a cotton t-shirt or some type of towel. Officials said wearing a face covering is proving to help stop the spread of the virus, along with washing hands frequently and practicing social distancing. For more information, visit publichealth.lacounty.gov/coronavirus. 8 weeks of practicing safer at home and U.S. retail sales are starting to show significant impacts. April sales in the U.S. saw a record decline of 16.4% last month due to the coronavirus pandemic. The U.S. Commerce Department announced this is the sharpest month-to-month drop in U.S. history. In March, sales fell 8.3%. Analysts said the core retail sector saw the greatest decline by almost 80%, followed by furniture sales down by 59%, department store sales down by 29%, and grocery sales down by 13%. Prior to the health crisis, the U.S. retail was setting records for year-over-year growth, employment, and investment. The city of Torrance continues to update its Back to Business plan. Stage 2 of its limited reopening include low-risk businesses like florists, toy, book, music, all retail, and sporting goods stores open with curbside and door-front pickup services. Pet grooming businesses are also now allowed. Car dealership showrooms, therapeutic peer support groups with less than 15 people, drive-through car washes with no customer contact, and all manufacturing and warehouse facilities that support retail businesses can now operate. Curbside services could include drive-through delivery to your vehicle and walking up to retail businesses. While shoppers are not allowed inside retail shops, all retail stores in strip malls can now open with curbside or door-front pickup options. Del Amo Fashion Center continues to see more stores offering curbside pickup services, as well as including Unique Glow, Urban Outfitters, Soma, Gold Italia, Free People, Barnes & Noble, and Anthropologie. Other retailers at the mall, like White House Black Market, Newark & Company, Macy's, Kiehl's, and Joann's, are expected to begin curbside service beginning Monday. A special tribute is headed our way tomorrow as a way to preserve and honor the annual Armed Forces Day Parade that would have traditionally taken place this weekend. The Tiger Squadron, a precision formation flying and aircraft display team based out of Torrance Airport, will fly over Torrance Boulevard at 1 p.m. This is in tribute to the United States Armed Forces. They will pass over Torrance hospitals, Torrance Memorial, as well as Providence Little Company of Mary Medical Center to thank the city's medical first responders. Spectators are asked to safely watch from their homes, avoid gatherings, and maintain social distancing guidelines while enjoying this special tribute. More outdoor exercise and recreational activities are now available as the City of Torrance reopens its tennis and pickleball courts. The city also authorized facilities like the Torrance batting cages and Las Conchas tennis courts to open as well under limited use. According to LA County guidelines, players must be distanced at least 6 feet apart. Only singles play is permitted for now. Each participant must bring their own bucket of balls with their initials on the ball. Face coverings are required at all times except during play. Players should bring their own water, hand sanitizer, and disinfectant wipes. A maximum of 1 hour play is allowed during heavy traffic days. Employees are also given protocols to ensure they continue to practice safety measures. Group gatherings are strictly prohibited for either tennis or pickleball. There are tennis courts at Wilson Park, Sur La Brea, El Retiro, Paradise, Hickory, and La Romeria, and Walteria Park. Pickleball courts can also be found at Wilson and Walteria. Torrance Beach also opened on Wednesday with modifications and limitations. Only exercise like surfing, swimming, walking, and running are currently allowed at the beach. Now, if you plan on participating in outdoor activities, residents are reminded that parking is limited to just 2 hours within the City of Torrance. Violators may be cited. As mentioned, the Torrance batting cages are also now open to the public. Located at Wilson Park, the Torrance batting cages, established in 2008 by Tyler Sports Inc., is family-owned and operated. Owner Kevin Tyler said during the temporary closure of the batting cages, they utilized the time to do some maintenance work and upgrades to provide an optimal facility once they were ready to reopen. Over the course of the last 7 weeks, the batting cages have been resurfaced. The batter boxes have been repainted. The court area was also repainted green, making it look like a baseball field, and coin boxes were repainted blue to give it a nice contrast. All the netting was replaced and has a big circus-like tent that is sewn together in panels mesh by mesh. And the lines on the soccer and training fields were also repainted and new nets were installed. It's an impressive upgrade worth checking out for yourself. There are 8 batting cages, 2 live hitting and pitching areas, 2 multi-use sports fields. You can also find rates online. They're open Monday through Friday, noon until 8 p.m., Saturdays and Sundays from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. While they are limiting the number of people to 1 person or family per cage, guests are encouraged to call and make reservations. You can check them out online at torrancecages.com or call 310-320-2243. The City of Torrance Certified Farmers Market is bringing back nearly 3 dozen familiar vendors to the open-air market beginning Tuesday. Close to 30 vendors who sell prepackaged foods will be invited to sell again beginning Tuesday, May 19th. These are vendors who sell packaged foods like packaged nuts, hummus, dried fruits, items already sealed, packaged, and ready to sell. Vendors not allowed to sell yet include those who make and prepare food on site. Those will be invited to sell at a later time as the county lifts more restrictions. Packaged food vendors will be located along the Crenshaw Boulevard parking lot during COVID-19 to maximize social distancing. The Torrance Cares Farmers Market curbside pickup also continues each week. Shoppers must order online a day prior for produce to be set aside for pickup curbside. This service was launched to assist seniors with limited mobility as well as those with underlying health conditions. The farmers market takes place every Tuesday and Saturday from 8 a.m. until 1 p.m. at Wilson Park. Shoppers must wear face coverings while at the farmers market and must adhere to social distancing guidelines as well. The city's Madrona Marsh Preserve is modifying its appointment times to give visitors a chance to enjoy nature a little bit longer when visiting. Now, its second week of reopening with modifications, the marsh has had an overwhelming positive response from the community. Listening to visitors' concerns, suggestions, and feedback, the marsh will adjust its operating hours and reservation time slots to better accommodate. This modification will allow guests to visit for 1 hour and 45 minutes and will open an hour earlier. The marsh is open to the public from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, with appointments taken on Tuesday and Wednesdays. Visitors are asked to follow the LA County's public health safer at home orders to help stop the spread of COVID-19. That includes social distancing, wearing a face covering, and no group gatherings. Now, if you can't commit to any one time for an appointment, you can check the Marsh's Facebook page on the day you'd like to visit to see if there are any walk-up time slots available. You can call 310-782-3898 for questions or to make an appointment. The city's grocery delivery service, Torrance Cares to Go, wraps up today. After 7 weeks of service to the community, the program will wind down with the last orders taken today. The program was designed to help local residents who may need assistance with grocery delivery services due to health conditions or limited mobility. To continue to assist those that may need help, the city listed a number of grocery and delivery resources available with direct links on the city's website. For seniors who still need help with meals, the state launched a Great Plates program. This is an initiative to ensure older adults have access to daily fresh meals. Seniors just need to sign up online. The program has been extended through June 10th. Local restaurants can also register to be able to provide food services to the community. You can find this information on the city's website as well. Go to torranceca.gov/COVID-19. SMOG City Brewing Company celebrated 9 years in business today. To celebrate, they are releasing their Kumquat Saison, a beer brewed in partnership with Food Forward, a local Los Angeles-based nonprofit that fights food insecurities and prevents food waste by rescuing fresh surplus produce and providing it to those in need. Kumquat Saison is being released in 4-pack cans for the first time ever. A portion of these sales will go directly to Food Forward to support their efforts across Southern California. Despite the temporary closure of their tasting rooms during the health crisis, customers can stop by at any of their 3 tap rooms in Torrance or Long Beach to pick up, as well as ordering online for delivery. If you're one of thousands who won't be part of a traditional graduation ceremony due to COVID-19, we want to celebrate you and your big milestone. Congratulations to KARLEE Clark. She is a graduating senior at North High School. She is headed to North Arizona University in the fall. Congratulations to Stephanie Gonzalez. She is a graduating senior at Torrance High School. She plans to attend University of California, Irvine in the fall and hopes to major in psychology. Congratulations to Nicholas Bowie. He is a graduating senior at North High School. His family wants to share how proud they are of Nicholas and all of his accomplishments. Congratulations to Sierra Hokinson. She is a graduating senior at North High School. Congratulations to Michelle Momita. She is a graduating senior at North High School. She is a Girl Scouts Gold Award recipient. She plans to attend University of California, Davis as an environmental chemistry major. She enjoys swimming and listening to K-pop and coaching girls soccer. Congratulations to Justin SAWAI. He is a graduating senior at North High School. He placed in the top 24 among Southern California's high school wrestlers this year. His dream is to be a firefighter, just like his dad and uncle. Justin's parents want him to know how proud they are of him and all of his accomplishments. Congratulations to Tyler Smith. She is a graduating senior from North High School. Congratulations to Yamani Malapeti. She is a graduating senior at West High School. She plans to attend University of California, Riverside in the fall and major in business marketing. She enjoys music, dance, and craft hobbies. Congratulations to DANIA Reyes. She is a graduating senior at North High School. Her parents said she is a very happy soul with a positive attitude, and they are so proud of all of her achievements. Congratulations to Edward Abalos. He's a graduating senior from North High School. He is planning to attend El Camino College in the fall to complete his prerequisites. He is a track and field athlete and loves to volunteer in his community. Congratulations to Matthew LACROIX. He is a graduating senior at West High School. Congratulations to Christopher Dominguez. He is a graduating senior at North High School. Congratulations to Mia TRODDEN. She is a graduating senior at South High School. She plans to attend University of California, Santa Cruz in the fall and study planetary science and run on the cross-country track team. Congratulations to all of our graduates, whether it's a preschool promotion or college graduation and every milestone in between. Send us your photo and let us know what school you're graduating from. We'll be sure to share it on our show. Email us at covid19today@torranceca.gov. Well, before we go, at the end of each program, we like to share your story of how you and your family and local businesses are all surviving this health crisis. Here in Torrance, as we head into what would have been the annual Armed Forces Day celebration weekend, we'd like to honor another one of the Hometown Heroes banner recipients. Today, we are celebrating Daniel LaFranchi. Joe and Paul LaFranchi are honoring their son with a banner this year and wanted to share his accomplishments with the community. We are honoring our son, Daniel LaFranchi, currently a captain with the 3rd Cavalry Regiment, stations at Fort Hood, Texas. He spent 4 years in the Army ROTC program at Santa Clara prior to his commissioning. He was then assigned to the 82nd Airborne Division and was stationed at Fort Bragg, North Carolina. He earned numerous awards, including a Sapper Tab and Jump Master status. During his time, he served 1 tour of duty in Kabul, Afghanistan, where he earned a Bronze Star for meritorious service. Congratulations to you, Daniel, and thank you for your service. We love hearing stories and seeing your photos sent to us, so please keep them coming so we can share your story of how Torrance cares. Email us at covid19today@torranceca.gov if you have questions or just want to share. Stay informed by signing up at torranceca.gov/Torrance Alerts. Subscribe to City Cable's YouTube channel and be sure to like the city's Facebook page. That's our update for COVID-19 today. We hope you'll join us again tomorrow at 2 p.m. as Leslie Robbins brings you the latest COVID-19 updates. Be safe, stay healthy, and thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.